CIET NCERT presents audiobook Kriti, Textbook of Arts for Grade 7.
Chapter number 13, Personalities, page 140. On the right side of the page is a QR code. When you scan the QR code, you will be able to get additional resources for the chapter. On the left side is an image of a mudra. Shambhu Maharaj. Scion of the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak, Shambhu Maharaj belongs to a family of traditional Kathak dancers. His forefathers were gurus and dancers at the court of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh. His father was the famous Kalka Prasad and uncle Bindadeen, who consolidated the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak. Trained under his uncle Bindadeen, later he established a post-independence with his elder brother Achan Maharaj repertoire of dance. He made his debut in Lucknow in 1926 at the All India Music Conference, after which he performed regularly as a soloist and with his elder brothers Achan and Lachu Maharaj. He moved to Delhi in 1955 and taught Kathak at the Sri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra, establishing the tradition of the Lucknow Gharana in Delhi. He was very famous for his Abhinaya and Bhav Batana, and he performed such in the court style of sitting and enacting. He taught his nephew, the famous Birju Maharaj, and many other famous Kathak dancers of India. He is survived by his sons Ram Mohan and Kishan Mohan, who are also accomplished dancers and gurus. He was the recipient of the Padma Shri in 1958 and Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1967. Given on the left side of the page is an image of the veteran dancer Shambhu Maharaj. Given is the image of Shambhu Maharaj. On the right side of the page is an image of Birju Maharaj. Page number 141. Kedarnath Sahu. Kedarnath Sahu was one of the leading exponents of Sarai Kela Chhau. He comes from a traditional family of Chhau dancers belonging to the Kanasari caste, who are engaged in these dance practices along with their main occupation of making household utensils. He started learning the dance form at a very early age from his father and grandfather. The dance form followed a Guru-Shishya Parampara, and the art was orally transmitted from generation to generation. He performed in the troupe of Kumar Bijoy Pratap Singh Deo, but later formed his own troupe with his disciples. Recipient of the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1981 and the Padma Shri in 2005. His performances received acclaim both in India and around the world. Many illustrious dancers trained under him as his students, the notable ones being Shashadhar Acharya, Gopal Prasad Dubey, and Sharon Lowen, to name a few. Given is an image on the left side of the page of Kedarnath Sahu. Given on the right side of the page is an image of two dancers performing the Sarai Kela Chhau. The image reads Sarai Kela Chhau Masks. Activity 13.1. Research and write about any one personality. The great dancer Bala Saraswati, Pandit Hazarilal, Kirmani Shivaram Hegde, Gulabo Sapera. Present it to the class as a project work. Page number 142. Assessment. Chapter 13. Personalities. Given is a table with 5 columns. Column number 1, CG. Column number 2, C. Column number 3, Learning Outcomes. Column number 4, Teacher. Column number 5, Self. Column number 1, CG 4. Column number 2, C 4.2. Column number 3, Learning Outcomes. Shows interest to learn about dance personalities. Column number 1, CG 4. Column number 2, C 4.2. Column number 3, Learning Outcomes. Actively researches about at least one other dance personality. Column number 1, CG4. Column number 2, C4.2. Column number 3, Learning Outcomes. Creative presentation in a project work or journal. Teachers' comments and students' observations. Fill in the blanks. Chapter 13 ends here.
Kriti, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 7. Narration, Richa Jain. Sound recordist, Virendra Rawat. Assistance in production, Amarjit Sarkar. Directed and produced by Vimlesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.